Hello. In this video, we're going to go over split screen views of bills. Using this functionality, users will be able to view the file, upload it to the bill, and compare the details between uploaded files and bill details entered in the NetSuite record. Users can also edit any details simultaneously while previewing the file if needed. To use a split screen view, open a new bill. Click on the SkyDoc tab and click on the name of the file which needs to be previewed. After clicking on the file name, the NetSuite screen will be split into two equal parts, with the bill on the left and file preview on the right. Here, we can easily compare the details between the uploaded file and NetSuite bill details. Here, we can compare the invoice number, order number, date, and amount. If there are any modifications to be made, then edit the bill's record, update the required details by looking at the bill, and save the record. This is how split screen view of bills can be used to easily compare the details between the NetSuite record and the uploaded file and do any modifications if required.